In this video, I'll show you how to fix we've sent the code to the Telegram app on your other device. So if you're seeing the message, we've sent the code to the Telegram app on your other device and you're unable to access that device, here's how you can fix that. So go ahead and check all your devices. Open Telegram on any device where you're already logged in, such as your phone, tablet, or desktop, and the login code should appear as a message from Telegram. So if you see it, use that code to log in to your new device. So if you don't have access to that device, if you're locked out of your old device or account, you can go ahead and use SMS or call verification if you still have the number you've used to register for that account. And then you can also reinstall Telegram. So uninstall Telegram from your current device, reinstall it from the App Store or Play Store, and try logging in again. Sometimes this triggers SMS verification instead of sending the code to another device. And that is how you can basically fix we've sent the code to the Telegram app on your other device.